Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does. This is the right bus.
Do you see a free space?
Yes, there's one over there.
Excuse me, where is Central Street?
Go straight ahead. It's 2 blocks away.
Which ticket do we need?
The day ticket. It's cheaper.
Should we get on?
Not yet. This is the wrong train.
When is the next bus?
In 3 minutes. It's almost here.
Will we be late?
Maybe a little. The traffic is heavy.
Does bus 12 go to the airport?
No, it doesn't. You need bus 18.
Which platform is our train on?
Platform 7. Let's go there.
Is the train delayed?
Yes, it is. 10 minutes.
Can I walk through here?
No. You have to use the other sidewalk.
Is this our station?
Yes, it is. We're here.
Can we go this way?
No, we can't. The road is closed.
Why are we waiting?
A train is coming. It should pass soon.
How do I pay here?
Use your bank card. It's very easy.
What happened here?
2 cars collided. Nobody seems hurt.
Is this the stop for bus 25?
No, it isn't. That stop is across the street.
Can I park here?
Not today. Parking is restricted.